Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to write vertical text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Writing vertical text in Canva is a simple process that can serve various creative and functional purposes. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing a template from the section. If you want, you can choose a business, a social media, or education template. You can also choose the video, marketing, print products, or maybe if you have a specific design in mind, just click the create a design option here in the upper left corner. Now, go into the upload section. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the text in the left side panel of my dashboard here. Go to text and add a text box. Type in your text. You'll notice that there's no option if you right click, no vertical option for you to type in text. It's basically horizontal by default. All right. But the easiest way for you to make a vertical text is you're going to drag this here. You see that? What will happen is the text will be aligned vertically. All right. That's one way. Now, after that, I want you to go to the option right here. Now, I want you to go to the alignment right here. You see that? If you click on it, you would notice that you can align the text here vertically. All right, center as a list. And then hover to this spacing. You see, you can increase the letter spacing right here. And the line spacing as well, all right? So it's up to you right here. Now, another option that you can do is go to another page. I'm going to copy this one for now, or let's type another sentence here. For example, I'm going to press enter, press enter, press enter. I'm going to delete this space. You see that? And of course, similarly to the effect earlier, we're going to click on this spacing. You see that? And from here, you can increase the text for any adjustment here in Canva. All right? Basically, these are some of the options that you can use to write vertically in Canva. Now, I'm going to zoom in out to make sure that our design fits perfectly well, because the vertical text can fit into narrow spaces more efficiently than horizontal text, making it ideal for design elements like sidebars, narrow columns, or vertical banners. Using vertical text like this adds a distinctive and creative flair to your designs, helping them stand out and grab attention. Now, of course, from there, you can simply add a new background for intent to make it a little bit creative. Right, so this one has it here. Once you are happy with this design, all I'm gonna do is click on share. You can share this as PDF, print, JPEG, MP4, or GIF. And if you want to share this to your client, you might want to click on the copy link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.